So we're gonna be testing this. This thing I bought from Sephora is their holiday set. So we're gonna be testing it, and then before we do that, we're gonna do unboxing. We're gonna do unboxing. This is a Christmas period. We're gonna do a lot of unboxing this period. All right. So how are you all doing? How are you all doing? So we're gonna be doing unboxing. So we're gonna be doing unboxing. Like, I don't know how many of you that like, new things. Honestly, I love new things. Sometimes I don't need something, I just go and buy something just because I just want, like, if you watch now, most of my hairs now, I'll just be wearing new hairs as if I don't have hairs. That's what I do. I'll wait until I get tired. This is very hard to open. UPS. What is this one? I went to, hey, God. Yeah, this thing is called Ojukokoro. Do you know what is Ojukokoro? I know Yoruba people will just be laughing. They will say, what am I speaking? Do you like buying things online? Can you see it? Can you see the name? Prada. I'll stop buying glasses. Honestly, I need to buy other things. What is this one? You see these people. See this thing. Like, oh God. Okay, I know what to do. Let's go. Hey. Like, I removed it. I removed this to put this. Hey. I'm doing texting. So we're gonna start testing. Okay? We're gonna start texting. Oh, hey. So what we have on the inside is this. Okay. There's something. So we have one lip liner there. We have one lip liner. So that's say lip liner. Sometimes I just wish I'm in Nigeria so that I can be giving out all this makeup. I have a lot, but I used to send to my friends that do makeup artists. Like, I just pack them and give to them. So this is YSL. Hey. Should I remove the glasses? I need to. I'll wear it again. I'll go and sing now. I'm so happy. Like this kind of thing you want to buy, but you'll be crying, that when you finish buying it. But you're happy, but you'll cry. I paid for this thing. After pay, I went to call my cousin. This is nice. Wow, I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna go to Sephora and buy this. Hey, I love this. I don't want to remove it, but we'll continue. So I've removed that one. So this, let's use something else. This says a neutral. Maybe we should try with MAC so that it comes out very well. But I love that one I removed. Hey, it's gonna. By next year, I'll look for a way to be sending these things down to Nigeria, because most of them I just use them, test it and leave it. Send it to people that need it in Nigeria. I'll look for how to be sending them to give to people that are watching. Not everybody. Some people can. So we're gonna be testing. This one is lip oil. You know, most of them now is lip oil. It's sweat, but it comes with a color. I like it, but it's minty. I love minty lip liner. You get me this kind of thing that sometimes you wanna that lick it. I didn't lick it, though. Don't go and lick it. But that's the way I feel. Do you like it? I just don't want this video to be long. But the texture is good. It's from Cosas. Some Cosas. I think most of the stores sell this kind of thing in Nigeria. But this one, I bought it from Sephora. Or if you're in Nigeria, though, if you see anybody that is coming back from abroad, you can tell the person if she can take something. You let me know. I can send to you. I love it. This set, I think I bought it like $50. I bought it for $50. I don't know how the worth of it. They say it will be like how many worth, but sometimes I don't know if it. That lip one, that one is a full size. Then this is Huda. It's a full size too. I've not really buy anything from Huda this period. So this one it may be matte, so it's gonna be difficult. So we're gonna use it last so that I'll wear it out. This one is for plumbing. It's like a treatment. It says it's a treatment, a lip something. So this one I need to give it out. I don't really need people that do all this. They are increasing things. Do you understand? This is what it does. I'll look for who I'll give it to. I don't need. This is a lip balm. So I'm gonna start using it by Dr. Jazz. It's a hydration one, so it's a lip balm. So I'll be using it at night. But I still have Laneige. Maybe I'll leave Laneige and start using this one. This one is lip oil. So this one is lip oil. I don't know if it has stain. So let's do this one first. See this one. This one like a dark shade. It's not dark, oh, but it looks dark. But because it's a lip oil, all these things are more of like, since you use this winter period or Ramadan. See? So this one like, it's good. See? It doesn't